Saviku, namaste. Sorry, namaste to all, and most welcome in this presentation section. I am Sanjit Kumar. I have completed my project in the guidance of Supervisor Professor Sarang Medikar sir. My topic is a review on photonic crystals and photovoltaic cell. So let's proceed for our presentation. So firstly, we have these all contents like we will learn about the photonic crystal, then its types, and then how does it formed, how can be what is the method to form photonic crystal. Then we will proceed for the photovoltaic cell and what thin film solar silicon solar cells and materials, and then photonic, how do we use photonic crystals in solar cells, right? And then we will go for the conclusion. So firstly, we have introduction. So as we know, energy is very essential in each and every walk of our life. For all activities, there is a need of energy. That is why we say the world is screaming for energy. We have two sources of energy. One is traditional, and second one is renewable energy. In traditional, we have coal, oil, gas, but renewable we have very good sources like solar power, hydropower, and bee power. So, question is why solar energy? Okay, so as we know, fossil fuels have negative impact on the environment, but solar energy is pollution free and also the most abundant energy source on the earth, right? And it has several thousand times, that means whatever solar energy in the on the earth, that is thousand times, right, the worldwide power consumption. So really it's amazing. So solar energy is the best option instead of the fossil fuels. Okay, so now think about the before discussing about the photonic crystal, just we learn or know little bit about the crystal and photon. So crystal is a homogeneous solid formed by repeating three-dimensional patterns of atoms, ions, and molecules, right? And the separation between these atoms, molecules, and ions are fixed. Okay, and photon, it is well-known term. That is, this is quantum of electromagnetic energy having zero mass, no electric charge, and long lifetime. That is, it is massless, it is chargeless, and it has long lifetime. So let's we go for the photonic crystal. So photonic crystal is a periodic arrangement of atoms or molecules. It has alternating domains of higher and lower refractive indices, right? As in solid state, the ionic lattice affects the motion of the electrons. In similar way, photonic crystals affects the motion of the photons. Okay, and photonic crystal is used to control the propagation of light to desired wavelength and a wavelength or frequency. So it is the very good beauty of the photonic crystals. That means we can propagate light as we need, right? And we have desire, right? So geometrically, photonic crystals are classified into three categories: one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and three-dimensional. In one-dimensional, light propagate only in one direction. In two-dimensional, it will in two direction, and in three-dimensional, it will propagate in three dimensions. Look at in these pictures; it is very clear that in the first figure, here it is shown in red and yellow colors. That is, it red to yellow, yellow to red, red to yellow, right? So it propagates in one direction and it is varying periodically, right? Higher to lower, lower to higher, higher to lower, right? But in this figure, you can see figure number B, it will propagate in two direction, and in third figure, it will propagate in three direction. So it is as simple as it is, right? Let's proceed. No, how in light, how light propagate in the photonic crystals. So we can see here, light is incidenting from here, and it is being reflected, and then it propagates in the photonic crystal, and then it is coming out, right? That means there is no any absorption in photonic crystals, right? So and this guided light or propagating light is it is showing resonance, yeah. So in this way, photonic, in this way light is propagating in the photonic crystals. Okay, so thank you. I was trying for the presentation on this app, right? And I hope If it is compatible with this app, we will go for these app presentations. So I had recorded these all the things. Just you all, uh, just you go for the comments. Will it preferable or not?